If you've ever wondered whether your dissertation is quietly going off the rails, you're not alone. Most dissertations don't fail in a dramatic explosion. They stall, they drag on, they quietly fade into the background while life keeps moving forward. You start missing deadlines, you stop opening documents. Every time someone asks, "Hey, how's it going?" you say, "I'm still working on it," and hope the conversation ends there. I'm Dr. Matthew Courtney from Grad Coach. Over the years, our team has helped more than 10,000 students complete their dissertations and theses. And today, I want to talk honestly about the main reason dissertations fail. Not to scare you, but to help you recognize the warning signs early and course correct before things start to spiral. When I was working on my own dissertation, I came closer than I'd like to admit to walking away. Not because I wasn't capable, but because I underestimated how many non-academic factors could derail the process. And that's where most of us run into trouble. So let's break this down. First, dissertations fail because the topic is too big, too vague, or too misaligned. This is an issue that I see all the time. It's easy to choose a topic that sounds impressive, but it's not feasible within the time, data access, or methodological constraints of your unique dissertation process. Similarly, some folks choose topics that they're no longer genuinely interested in, which makes it difficult to sustain effort along the way. One thing that I regularly tell my clients is that a strong dissertation topic isn't just interesting, it's doable. Remember that the best dissertation is a finished dissertation. If your topic requires data that you can't realistically access, methods that you haven't been trained in, or scope that belongs in a 5-year research agenda, progress will stall quickly. Second, dissertations fail because of weak structure and planning. Many students jump in without a clear roadmap. They work in bursts, rewriting the same sections over and over without a clear goal or a clear idea of what being done actually looks like. Remember that a dissertation is not just a long paper. It's a highly structured project with specific expectations at each stage. Without a plan that breaks that process down into manageable milestones, it's easy to feel constantly behind, even when you're working hard. So be sure to map out a project plan for your dissertation, or grab one of our tried and tested templates in the description below. The third reason dissertations fail is a communications breakdown. This includes unclear expectations with advisors, infrequent check-ins, or not fully understanding what feedback is asking you to do. Some students wait too long to ask questions, and others make changes without confirming alignment first. Dissertations rarely fail because advisors are malicious, but often because the students assume clarity that doesn't exist. Regular, specific communication is one of the strongest predictors of completion. And if you want to learn more how to get the most out of your relationship with your advisor, be sure to check out this video. The fourth reason dissertations fail is because life happens and students don't always adapt to their approach. Jobs change, family needs shift, health issues arise, motivation dips. We see it all the time here at Grad Coach. But here's the key insight. The students who struggle the most are often the ones who expect ideal conditions to return before they keep going. Conversely, successful dissertation writers adjust. They scale expectations, renegotiate timelines, and they modify workloads instead of waiting for the perfect season to write. So when life happens, don't roll over and wait for better conditions. Take action and adjust course accordingly. The fifth and final reason why dissertations fail is because of isolation. This might be one of the most underrated factors. Adult students try to do everything alone. They don't seek support, they don't talk about their struggles, and over time, small problems feel bigger, confidence erodes, and avoidance sets in. Dissertations are intellectually demanding, but they're also emotionally demanding. Having structured support, accountability, and perspective makes a massive difference. So don't go it alone. Engage with fellow students, faculty, and any support groups at your university. If you're struggling to stay on track, one of our experienced dissertation coaches can walk the walk with you and be the buddy and accountability partner that you need to get across the finish line. You can find the link to that down below. If you got value in this video, make sure you hit the like button so that we know to make more content like this. And if you're currently stuck or worried you might be heading there, drop your question down in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help you move forward.